I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer funds from Square to Payoneer, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Start by logging into your Square account on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you have access to the account where your funds are stored. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, go to the balance or transfer section of your Square account. This is where you can manage your funds and initiate transfers. Step 3. Select Transfer to Bank. Choose the option to transfer funds to your bank account. You may need to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. This step is crucial as Payoneer requires a bank account to receive funds. Step 4. Enter transfer amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm transfer and wait. After entering the amount, confirm the transfer. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your linked bank account, which you can then transfer to Payoneer. I hope this guide helps you transfer your funds easily. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.